Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry. Whatever. Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about exfoliating those lips. Don't look, oh girl. You know what? I'm over here about to give y'all some advice, and I haven't even taken myself my own advice in the past 2 weeks. I haven't exfoliated. So the reason for this video is because I get so many clients that, well, I haven't done makeup in a while, but when I was doing makeup for like 10 years, I would get so many clients, and by the time I was done with their makeup, even before I was doing their makeup, like when they sat down and I looked at their lips, looking all like, honestly, I'm not trying to be as rude, but damn, they look crusty. They were looking dry, not exfoliated. If you're gonna exfoliate your face, exfoliate your body, and not your lips, sweetheart, come on now. You know, and a lot of people always wonder, why is the lipstick not looking all smooth, you know, like Kylie Jenner, you know. Well, she has money for some other stuff that she does on her lips. But, you know what I mean? It's just all about exfoliating, just to make it smoother and plumper, and not to get you any fine lines as you get older. So I'm going to teach y'all a 3-way step, really easy. And I'm also going to talk about, of course my product's going to be, you know, they're not cheap, but I'll also talk about other stuff y'all can use at home that y'all can use to just, you know, the same thing. I don't know. So it's going to be a 3-step. It's going to be exfoliating, treatment, and hydrating. Okay? A lip balm. So today, y'all feeling this hair? I don't know. I was trying to do something cute. I don't know if it's working, y'all. Maybe a little. I don't know. What y'all gonna get? What I give y'all? Okay? I don't have money to be buying wigs, and you know, so this is what y'all gonna get. So I went to Sephora, and I already have a lip balm, I already have a lip treatment, but I needed to exfoliate it because mine ran out 2 weeks ago. So I was like thinking, I was like, what should be my next video? And I'm like, exfoliating the lips, because a lot of people don't know that. A lot of people don't know that you gotta exfoliate your lips. I have worked as a makeup artist, a skincare specialist. I've seen it all. So I went to Sephora and I bought the Too Faced, I don't know if, hold on. I'm still learning, y'all. There you go. Too Faced Exfoliator Scrub. So this one is called the Too Faced Peach Lip Scrub. So this is the scrub, y'all. Let me open it up. Voila. Y'all see that? So this right here is $18 at Sephora from Too Faced. So first you want to exfoliate. You know, if y'all ever exfoliated your body, your face, you know, it's smooth and it hydrates and it brightens. So the same way with the lips. It's going to really smooth out, plump it, and hydrate the lips. So I am going to grab, I'm going to use the end of my brush to grab some. It's very, if y'all see that, hold on. Y'all see that? It's very sugary. It's very like sugar. Now, if y'all don't have $18 for an exfoliator, I recommend to get a little bit of Vaseline and sugar, mix it up, add a little bit more sugar on top of it. Mix it if you want to make something at home. Mix it up and then exfoliate it on your lips. I've done that before. And then just rinse it off and it's smooth. But I got the Too Faced, so we're going to be using that today. Alright, so I'm going to go in. We're going to get started right away. I'm going to go in. And I'm going to scrub. Y'all see that? Ew, kind of looks nasty. Whatever. It tastes so good. You can literally like eat it. It tastes like candy. So I'm gonna exfoliate. Usually I would do this in like the sink and then like just rinse it off, but I like to go like this, I like to put both of my lips together. Now do this for a minute, okay? Do it for like a minute, minute and a half. Right away you can already see that it plumped up my lips a bit. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep scrubbing and then I'll take this off. Alright y'all, so I've already exfoliated. I have a tissue here with water on it. Not a tissue, paper towel, sorry. And I'm gonna take this off. Oh Lord. Everywhere. Give me a minute y'all. Alright, so y'all see that? So let me tell y'all. The importance of exfoliating. Oh, this smells good. Sorry. Oh, it smells so good. I recommend it. A lot of brands have it. A lot of different brands. Fresh is one of my go-to ones, but that's like $24. This one was $18. The reason you want to exfoliate is because when you apply that lipstick, it just makes it smooth. Because, you know, winter's coming. So winter's on its way. I mean, we're already actually in winter, sorry. And, you know, the lips start to get really dry. And it's going to get worse. It's going to get really dry. It's going to crusty. You're going to get like, it's going to be peeling and all that kind of stuff. So when you exfoliate, it really helps out to smooth everything out. Get rid of all the dead cells that are on your lips. And then you get to continue with your treatment, which I'm about to do right now. But it's when you apply those lipsticks, y'all can Google, I'm sorry, but I don't have nobody in my house that has crispy lips. So y'all can Google what it looks like. But it's happened to me before. I mean, I wasn't always doing makeup and skincare, so I didn't know about it. But it really makes the application go on smooth, you know? Doesn't look all bumpy, because it sucks when a lot of my clients, they had perfect beautiful skin and crispy lips, and I had to put like a red lipstick on them and matte. Oh girl, if you're a professional makeup artist, you know what I'm talking about. Like, it is just like, ooh. And let me tell y'all something else. A lot of these girls on Instagram that like filter their lips, I've seen them in person in Hollywood, calling y'all out. Don't even exfoliate. At least put on the lip balm when you go to bed. Anyways. Alright y'all, so I already exfoliated. So now I'm gonna go in with my treatment, which is from Algenus. Y'all see that? Alright. So this one right here is a collagen lip treatment. So with collagen, it's gonna help plump and smooth out the fine lines. Y'all ever notice old people, no disrespect, but a lot of people are like around, like once they start hitting like 50, some people don't age well. A lot of people as they get older, they get lines around their lips. Have you ever noticed like much older people, they get like lines around their lips? So it looks small like that, and it's like a bunch of lines. One, they didn't use a lip balm, didn't take care of the lips. And I'm gonna give y'all one last very important thing at the end of this video, why that happens. Alright, so we're gonna go in with the collagen from Algenus. I have my little iPad right here. Let me just give you a little bit more information about it. This right here is gonna retail for $35. So the scrub, $18, $35. So with this one, it is a vegan collagen moisturizing lip treatment that visibly restores lips fullness and contours in youthful looking lips in as few as 10 days. It might, I don't know. My mom loves it, y'all. Oh, I forgot about that. My mom's obsessed with this. She literally has been using this for a couple years now. Since whenever it came out. And again, there are other brands that have like serums for lips. Like Fresh has one, which I'll look over here, which I saw as a recommendation. Fresh has one for $36, but I would also recommend that one. She also liked that one too, but this one's her favorite. So with this, I am going to, it has like a little, okay. Y'all see that? So I'm gonna give it a quick little twist. All you need is one. And then there there's the product. A little close up. So I'm gonna go straight to my lips and put on the treatment. Cause I want my lips to look young. I don't wanna like look so young on my face and then my lips be looking all crispy. Oh, it's nice and cooling. Oh, that feels so good. Super hydrating and nice and cooling. Coming out. Do a little bit of that. I like to like squeeze it in there to penetrate. Alright, y'all. So the last step is a balm. So I have the Christian Dior Lip Balm. So this one retails for $34. And if you open, I've been using this one. If you open it up, it's a nice little pink rose color. They have different colors, like a little bit of an orange, like a tinted color. And it gives you a little bit of a tint color and it plumps. It does plump a little bit. So let me show y'all. Bam. And that's it. My lips are going to be looking young forever, y'all. Nice and juicy. So it's 3 steps, y'all. Exfoliate, treatment, and lip balm. I wanted to make this video again, like I said, because it's... Y'all have no idea how common this is. How many people literally sit down on my chair, their lips looking hell of a crusty, and then they expect it, and then they ask me, they're like, can you make sure it looks nice and smooth on my lips? I'm like, really, girl? And you haven't even exfoliated? But you want me to make it nice and smooth. And then when I do exfoliate, a lot of times you gotta do it for a couple days. When I do exfoliate, they're like, oh, it's still looking crispy. That's not my fault, girl. That's your fault. Because you don't like to take care of yourself. So take care of yourself, y'all. If y'all love yourself, take care of yourself. Very simple. So 3 steps. Exfoliate. Say it with me. Exfoliate, treatment, and lip balm. Simple. At home, if y'all want to do this, again, Vaseline, sugar, mix it up. There's your exfoliator. Simple. If y'all don't have money for treatment, well, at least use a lip balm. I don't care what use the same Vaseline. Use the Vaseline. I love Vaseline. Just my own opinion. But any lip balm that y'all may find at CVS or Walgreens, you know, Wawa. I love going to Wawa out here. So yeah, simple 3 little steps. I'm trying to make a quick little video for y'all. Just to really, get so y'all can learn. Because I'm sick and tired of saying this. Especially when I'm talking to somebody. Even guys too. Like, if you ever kiss a guy and he's just all crispy, like, it just kills the vibe for me. It kills the vibe. Girls and guys, vice versa. It kills the vibe. Nobody wants to kiss those lips. They're not juicy. These lips, they want to kiss. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I was trying to keep it as simple. Oh, one last thing. By the way, if y'all want to follow me on Instagram, I had to change it a little bit. It's Alexander Queen __. Still trying to get that Alexander Queen, but the guy won't give it up. The reason why I changed it instead of Alexander __ Queen to now Alexander Queen __ is because when y'all look me up, because the fact that there's 2 underscores in between, it's kind of hard to find me. But at least now with Alexander Queen, I should pop out a lot quicker. And then it's __, whatever. Y'all see my photo. Y'all know it's me. But make sure to follow. Make sure to like and subscribe, y'all. I really appreciate it. If y'all do, leave your comments below. Let me know if this helps out. I know the product's a little bit expensive. Time is, tight right now. But yeah, just those little simple things. Vaseline, sugar, and a little lip balm. It goes a long way. Or if not, just keep using the same Vaseline. Save your coin. So I love y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time. Bye.